In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and navigate Gmail when you're signed in to multiple accounts using Google Chrome. So let's dive into it. First things first, open your browser and go to Gmail by visiting the website mail.google.com. Make sure you're using Google Chrome for the best experience, as we all know Chrome is optimized for Google services. Once you're on the Gmail page, confirm that you're signed into multiple accounts. This is crucial because you need to see all options we're discussing today. Now, in the top right corner of your browser window, you'll see your profile picture. Click on that, and you should see a drop-down list showing all the accounts you're currently signed into. This is where you can manage or switch between different Gmail accounts with ease. If you want to switch to another account, simply click on the account you wish to use. By doing so, you will activate that specific account, allowing you to access its inbox seamlessly. Keep in mind, when you switch accounts, the previously selected account won't be visible in your current Gmail view until you click the profile picture again. But let's say you want to declutter your account list, or perhaps hide an account from this drop-down without actually signing out from all devices. You have the option to remove it from your quick access list. To do this, click on Manage Accounts on this device. This action opens a new page listing all your accounts. Here you can modify account settings or remove an account from the quick access list. To remove a particular account, simply click the Remove button next to the account you want to keep hidden. This action will remove the account from the profile drop-down without signing the account out on other devices. This is particularly useful if you want to declutter your view or keep some accounts private for the time being. And that's all there is to it. Switching between accounts or managing which accounts are visible has never been easier. These steps ensure that your Gmail experience is customizable, efficient, and suited to your unique needs. I hope this video helped you gain a better understanding of how to effectively manage multiple Gmail accounts in Google Chrome. If you found these tips and tricks helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Until next time, happy emailing.